Today we're going to talk about, some of our friends know when we're in school during circle time, we use our eye care lotion. A teacher will come around and give everybody a squirt. If you want it, you can say yes or you can say no, that's okay. But what we use it for is just to calm our bodies down and relax and get ready for the day. And we want you to know that you are loved and cared about. And we work it into our hands. And some of our friends, if they're wearing shorts or a dress, put it on their legs or on their noses, put it in your face. Careful not to get it in your eyes, that would hurt. Okay, put it in. You can make silly faces. Just relax and know that you are cared about. And if you're having a rough day, that's okay. Just remember that you can relax and you can take a break. Sometimes we get upset and we're just frustrated, and that's okay. I get frustrated too. And I just come and relax. We have a little space for you in the classroom that if you want to just take a break, you can go there. You're not in trouble. No, you're not in trouble. And you can come back at any time. And just then we're ready to have a great day and share and be kind to our friends. So that's what it's for, friends. And if you ever feel like you just need some more, you can come and ask, and we would gladly help you out with that. Have a great one.